Hello, this video will show you the differences between Management Center 2.6.1 with firmware 46 and Management Center 2.7 with firmware 57. The main difference is if you now activate the app in the camera in the former version, so in the 46, you had to add this, the smart data configuration source manually. That means you have to go there, have to enter the name, you have to know this name, and also you have this extension .plate, for example, for this application. In the new version, in the version 57, you don't have to do this anymore, because it will automatically create the smart data source and without the extension .plate. This is important for the Management Center, because if you have the Management Center 2.6, you will only have in the area components, we will only have the smart data which are already given by Management Center. So Management Center knows if a value is coming in from MxALPR.plate, it knows exactly, okay, this belongs to the camera and it has data ABCD and so on. With the new Management Center 2.7, you have to receive this data from the camera with the camera manager and get smart data information of active camera apps. So this will receive all the information that you have, or all the information of the active apps in the camera, which has the benefit that later on, if we have more and more apps on the camera, you do not have to update the Management Center to get all these schemata, how we call it, so all these layouts in the Management Center. It's not important anymore because the Management Center will download all this information of the apps from the camera. So once you have clicked this button, it will receive this information and will add it here in the smart data sources. In my case, I have here the Vector ALPR and the barcode reader. And as you can see, this version is a newer version than that one, and is also without extension .plate. Also nice is that you can now press the refresh button and you do not have to restart the Management Center to get this list over here and to do smart data search. So that is the main difference if you work with smart data, with the firmware camera firmware and the latest one.